Good morning, Pirates. Welcome to Pioneer Morning News. Today is April 1st, 2026. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We have an important announcement from the Steilacoom Historical School District. Due to increasing enrollment across the district, the school board has approved a new plan in a narrow 3-2 vote to help accommodate student growth. Beginning next school year, all 8th grade classes will be relocated to a previously retired ferry vessel stationed at the Steilacoom Ferry dock. District officials say this creative solution allows Pioneer to expand capacity while giving students a unique waterfront learning experience. As a part of this change, 8th grade students will follow an adjusted schedule, with school hours running from 4:30 to 2 p.m. to align with new transportation routes and ferry access. Students are encouraged to bring warm clothing as well as seasickness bands if needed. More details about boarding procedures and class locations on the ferry will be shared later this spring. April Fools! We hope we didn't scare the 7th graders too much. Today on the menu we have Chef's Choice. Now let's go to a weather report from our Pioneer Morning News weather enthusiast, Noah Pace.
Happy Wednesday and good morning, Pirates. I'm Noah Pace with the Pioneer Weather Forecast. Let's check out the skies shaping up on Western Washington today. Looking at the satellite image over here, we can see Western Washington has light clouds and a little bit of rain later in the day. And it's expected that the winds turn up coming from the south about 12 miles per hour. It will bring highs of 53 and lows of 39. Now it's time for a walk-home forecast. It's going to be very cold and a high chance of snow. Actually, nope, it's April Fool's. It's actually going to be a little bit of rain with temperatures near 53 degrees, and have a good walk home, Pirates. Now, let's check out the 4-day forecast. Firstly, on Thursday, wet conditions are likely with steady rain all day. And we got highs around 52, lows of 38. And on Friday, get ready for some sun. It should be mostly sunny with some clouds, maybe rain if we're unlucky, with temperatures ranging from 54 to 36 degrees. This Saturday, it looks like we're going to get light clouds and maybe a little bit of sun, with highs around 56 and lows of 41. So it looks like it should be a good day. Finally, to wrap it up on Sunday, we got some clouds all day, and it should clear up as the day goes on. We have temperatures near 58 and lows of 40. And if you're heading outside today, make sure to bring your umbrella and don't get wet, and have fun this spring break. That wraps up the Pioneer Weather Forecast for today. I'm Noel Pace, and have a great day, Pirates.
Here's what's happening around Pioneer. Due to spring conferences on Wednesday, we will follow a shortened schedule with periods 1, 2, 3, and 4, and school will be dismissed at 11:40. For more events and updates, be sure to keep an eye on the announcements ticker at the bottom of your screen. It's time for Your Word Wednesday. Each week, we shine a spotlight on an interesting, unusual, or just plain awesome word to boost your brain power and level up your vocabulary. Let's check out today's word.
Hi Pirates, I'm Kilmini, and today is Your Word Wednesday. Let's go to the word. Today's word is bumpershoot. Bumpershoot is a noun that is used for protection against rain or sun, or just a cool word for umbrella. Here's an example. Don't forget to take out your bumpershoot, it looks like rain. Here's Izzy using the word.
It was raining so hard that my bumpershoot flipped inside out.
Your challenge is to try to use the word bumpershoot sometime today.
Did you know April is Military Child Month? All month long, we'll be sharing facts and stories to recognize the strength and sacrifices of military kids right here in our community. In 2024, Washington State awarded Purple Star Awards to districts that provide specific support for military-connected students. These awards recognize districts that offer educational and social-emotional assistance to these students as they navigate school transitions. 32,765 students who live in Washington State have a parent in the military. It's a dark day in March Mammal Madness. The Nile crocodile and the ingested mold stayed in the field of battle as the honey badger didn't care that if it fell out of a tree and landed on a rotting animal and slipped out of the field of battle. Honey badger continues to be the most fearsome creature on earth, says Mrs. Mateus. Stay tuned for the final battle on Wednesday, April 1st, between the humpback whale, her calf, and the Nile crocodile and hitchhiking mold, who will be the ultimate champion. Now it's time for the joke of the day. Why did the math teacher put googly eyes on the calculator? To make the science teacher count on it. That isn't even funny. Jock the guy can explain. Then it will be funny.
So the joke about the calculator and the science teacher, that's a good one because the count on it is an idiom, and it's what a calculator does. You can count on a calculator. So it's a double use of the idiom count on it. And so it's a linguistic joke that makes a lot of sense. You don't hear the funny in that? It must be a problem with you, not with me.
That joke explanation was lame.
Yeah, I really don't have anything else to say.
That was a terrible joke explanation.
I don't think I've seen this before. Jock the guy made the joke worse. Maybe Mrs. York can save it. Somebody call her. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and have a great day, Pirates.